Hi my friends, I want to share with you how I made this plantain fufu with the plantain skin on it. Watch. Hi my friends. So watch me eat my plantain fufu with the skin in it. So one thing I want to tell us is that plantain skin is very rich in antioxidants, is very rich in potassium. Potassium helps the body to fight high blood pressure. It is also very rich in fiber, and what fiber does to the body is to give you a healthy gut, meaning you will be having some kind of a free bowel movement. When you have free bowel movement, your gut health will be very, very good. And just to clear some doubt, the skin on it did not give it any taste. Just like your other fufu, no taste. The only place you get your taste is from your soups. That's where you want to load it with all the ingredients, flavors, spices, and what have you. Yeah, the fufu has no taste at all. So the skin on the green plantain fufu did not alter the taste. In fact, this time that I was eating this, it was just moving slowly down my esophagus. I was enjoying it, and voila, in the morning I had a free bowel movement. Okay, now join me to my kitchen. Let me show you how I made the plantain fufu without removing the plantain skin. Before we continue, if you have not subscribed to my channel, click that red button that shows subscribe. Afterwards, click the bell sign. That way, anytime I upload a video, you will get a notification. Kindly also press the thanks button, the button that shows thanks. That way you will encourage me and you will support my channel with any amount of coins. Okay, so I will leave you to watch and enjoy how I made this plantain fufu without removing the plantain skin. Okay, my friends, so this is the finished product of our green plantain fufu with the plantain skin on it. So it gave this dark color, and that's because of the skin of the plantain. It is very, very good for your guts. Bye bye.